box bracelet. The first step that we need to do is we need to create this little connector. It has 3 square crystal beads and 4 cross sterling beads, and it's strung on a head pin, and the opposite end of the head pin, since there is no head on that side, has to be soldered down. So we're going to learn how to solder that so that it's nice and secure. You can use glue. I don't like to use glue because eventually over years glue fails, so soldering is much more secure and will last a lifetime. I choose to use tick solder for this, and this is a solder that flows at a very, very low temperature. I believe it's about 800 degrees it starts to flow. So you just need a hand torch, a little bit of tick solder, and I have flattened down the edge of my solder because we are going to have to cut a very small piece. And when I say small, I mean maybe about 1 millimeter or 2. And it's on my hand, on my finger actually. And that is about as small as you're going to need, because it will melt up fast and flow, and you don't want it to flow too far down on your head pin. You just want it to hit that tip and just get that bead to be secure at the end. So we're going to string that, and I'll put the little piece of solder in there and show you how to get that finished in just a moment.